Hey, what's up everybody? This is me Padzio back again after a long time. No YouTubing for a very long time because I didn't feel like it. Alright, here's the catch. I didn't update OBS for about like a lot of time, I guess. I haven't counted. But then I had to go through all of this crap of installing OBS Studio, and that's how the process went. And finally, after 2 days, OBS is back and running, baby, and that's cool. Now the video, let's get back to the video. Now we have a cool project. All right, let's try a donut a little bit. So this will be oh shit. Alright, let's talk about it. I found a great video on YouTube, right? That was fluid simulation ASCII animation art, which uses fluid animation, fluid mechanics to employ where instead of the pixels, it's going to animate fluid in terms of some balls in a system, in a container, and the blobs will behave like a fluid. So this is the original video. This guy is a god. Let me find it real quick. Let me just say ASCII. Oh my god, I don't have memory. Oh shit. Okay, let me close all of these tabs. And I still don't have memory. Sorry for the video, though there's no editing. I have to manually close some shit. That's my 4chan post. I made it rambling on 4chan. I'm just endlessly. Alright, I'm back. And let's get to the real video real quick. So this is our donut, right? And now the fluid animation works something like this. We'll have the fluid code, which is Endio. I don't know what he called it, but this is the fluid code. This is the C code. So we compile the C code and pass a environment as text file as a file, and it will animate it. Okay, so this is the, let's say we want to animate this fluid. That's how we do it, and this is really cool to say the least. But what if we could make a game? We can design our own kind of environments, which I've done with a silly Python code, which takes some parameters. I haven't just put it in a CLI argument list because I'm too lazy to. Anyway, we want to. I want to see. I drink coffee, and if I make the coffee true, and then 20, it is going to have a coffee floating down. So if we just say this is like that, this is how the coffee drifts, and you can experiment with. So we have 15 long blob of water, and if you make it slightly bigger, it's going to be like that. So it is a lot of water, and if you put a lot less water, like let's say just 4 with long water, it's going to drop real quick. And now onto the, this is how we coffee drip it. And let me see, let's see, we want to make it slightly distant, slightly wider. You know, the coffee funnel has to be slightly, the hole in the bottom, it should be slightly wider. So let's decrease this parameter by 4, and it's going to just fall right out. But what if we could just have a huge block of water, and that's going to be shitty because it broke the that amount of water broke the funnel, and that's not what it wants. So 20 is a good value, 20, and it just goes down. And if you want to make it slightly lighter, let's increase it by 5, and let's see, still a lot of water is dripping because there's a slight gap, slight hole in the future, in the bottom, and that's cool to see. If you want to have a full look at it, that's gonna be cool. Alright, so that's gonna be boring right now. What if we make coffee to false, and we want to play a game where there is going to be a container, and the container will have some random chances of having holes in it, and the one who gets to hold the water the longest wins. So we run it like that, and it has a hole, it just falls down. This is the first run. Okay, that many times it's draining real quick, and this time the draining is going to be significantly less. And sorry, by the way, the container is kind of fucked up because I haven't done some necessary parameterizing the code, because I wrote another component will draw the coffee coffee funnel. So if you run it again, there's going to be some holes in it, and if you run it again, every time you get, this time you don't have any holes in it, and now the water is going to be there indefinitely, and now you get to win, my friend. So how long has this video been? This video has been 12 freaking minutes. Alright, that's the end of the video. I'm really tired compiling the OBS studio and stuff because that was expired, that was outdated, and the Linux didn't want to run it. I had to go through all of that just to make a YouTube video. That's necessarily good thing. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I worked for 2 days to compile OBS just to make this video because I thought it was really cool to show people what I have, and always go to the channel that is going to be linked in the description below to check the entire code out. The source code is going to be there, and I'll see you.